I'm going to be honest. I don't think there's anything wrong with using AI as long as you're using it responsibly. I don't think that it should replace the work required to learn. It can help you learn faster, think through problems, catch mistakes, and it can make the creative process better. Now, I decided for my home lab workflow, I'm going to start using Claude as one of my AI tools. So I've already created an account, and you can see here, I'm going to install and open the app. So for now on, for my home lab workflow, I'm going to start using Claude as one of my AI tools. I created an account and installed the Windows desktop app, and I'll be using it through this environment. In the next video, I'll be walking through how I upload an ISO image into Proxmox VE. I appreciate you for watching this video. I'm the operator. This is Terminal House Media. Thank you for watching.